What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make your Windows computer starts faster. So imagine that you start a computer and a lot of programs, a lot of apps, a lot of softwares start with your computer. You see the Telegram, the WhatsApp, your Spotify all open as soon as you start your computer, and this consumes a lot of time and make your computer start the process takes longer. How to control this? This is what I learned in this video. So click on Start Panel, go to Settings. Once on Settings, review the left sidebar of menus, okay? And go to Apps. Now, take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Once on Apps, go to Startup, okay? This one right here. And right here, you're gonna be able to see all the apps that start up with your computer. Imagine that I no longer want that my Spotify app starts with my computer startup in process. I'm gonna set off. Same for Telegram for desktop. Just like this. And you can click into the app in the case that you want and share some app permissions. For example, app permission of location, camera, microphone, okay? All up to you and to your needs. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!